This is an unboxing video of two accessories for a telescope. And one of them is a Baader. Baader means in Germany the company Baader, B-A-A-D-A-R, Baader. Click lock extension for the Schmidt-Cassegrains. And another one is a 2-inch click lock diagonal. And I bought it from the First Optics telescope. And we are now going to unbox it. And since I needed two hands, I had to cut it with this knife first, then go and open it. Oh, okay, I see this kind of polystyrene fillers here. And what is inside is this one. The first one is a click lock Schmidt-Cassegrain clamp, Baader 2-inch. Okay, that's a 2-inch one. And what is inside the other one? There's another box here. Okay, this is the Baader 2-inch click lock star diagonal. So, two products from the Baader, and I'm going to open them now. Okay, there is nothing else inside here, so I'm just removing that. Okay, we are now having this two products from the Baader, the best products, and now going to open them. I'm going first for the click lock Schmidt-Cassegrain clamp. That is the attachment that you attach other things for 2-inch devices to the back of your telescope if it is a Schmidt-Cassegrain. 2-inch means that you will have a bigger amount of light entering your eyepiece, and of course you have a more comfort to watch whatever you're watching in the sky. So, really chunky product, and I like the way that they have made it with this kind of clamp easy. So you loosen this up, and then instead of using the screws to tighten up the whatever eyepiece or diagonal, you just turn it and it will lock. Then you can unlock it by just turning it opposite direction. Very good accessories. It's just strange that you have to buy all of this separate when they actually should come with any equipment that you buy. Anyway, that's the way it is in the telescope field. You have to buy a lot of accessories that obviously you need for your work, but they don't put them in the product they sell you. Okay, at the moment I cannot remove it. When I turn this way, there are two parts here. This will unlock this cap, and I will unturn it now, and you can see. Okay, I've unturned it now. It easily comes up. Now if I turn it again, that will be locked. So this will happen again to your eyepiece or a star diagonal, easily kept in place. When you work in the dark, you may actually lose the screws of your clamps. And with this one, there is not such a chance, such a unfortunate, incident happening. Okay, the second product that I'm going to open is this Baader diagonal. And as you can see, it comes in its own leather bag. Quite chunky and heavy. What is inside it? Yeah, just box, nothing else. And this is made, by the way, Baader, Baader Planetarium in Germany, very famous astronomical institution from the olden times, in the 19th century up to now. So the diagonal is inside this lovely leather bag. The leather is really good quality. I can see it's leather. I can feel it. Very nice feeling. Oh, look at this chunky diagonal. It's huge, massive. So this is the telescope, and this will go into this clamp, or whatever you can also put between them, and then you have a click lock in this side of it, and this click lock will hold your eyepiece. So one click lock already is here. Okay, I'm now looking inside the this diagonal. I see some dust specks. I'm not sure what are they. Are they there? Some specks like paint or something, are they? Anyway, I will test it just to see if I can blow it with a blower. If they were not blown away, I must see what I can do. Maybe returning it. Let me see. The only thing I just wanted to show you is the mechanism for this click lock. What you see here is a ring around here. When I turn it, the distance, the gap between these two parts of the ring will increase or decrease. Look at what's the distance now, and I will turn it, you will see. Okay, as you can see, I've turned it, now the gap became smaller. So that's the way it keeps things in place. And I wonder, is this material is magnetic also? Anyway, it looks quite chunky and interesting. My only worry is this dust specks fault in the mirror there, or they can be blown away by a blower. I'm going to test that. Now I have this blower and I have this brush. I will try to see if I can blow the dust by the blower without touching actually with the brush. But anyway, we will see. Okay, I have been able to blow them away, so that's just good news. So these are just dust particles that from the manufacturing process probably left there. And I'm going now to completely clean it by blowing the air. Overall, impressive, chunky diagonal. I have another diagonal I will show you to compare with this. Okay, this is the 2-inch diagonal Baader, planetarium Baader. And this one is the Skywatcher star diagonal for the 102 Star Traveler refractor telescope. So it's quite better than the other ones. For example, you see that this kind of color, bronzy color it has here, bronzy finish, and I can say this is better quality than the rest of the things that I have seen on the telescopes. But this Baader one is really something else, in another class. I put them side by side, you can compare. And that click lock worth every penny of it, if it saves your heavy eyepieces. I'll put one eyepiece there just to show you. Okay, this is my Max Vision 2-inch barrel diagonal, as you can see. Quite chunky, the size of bigger than a drink can. And I'm going to put it in this, and you can see how it will hold it. This is around half a kilo or more in weight. So I'm sliding this into this, and you can see for yourself, really good size. Compare that with the other diagonal. I'll put the flash on back so you can see actually how it is. Okay, I'll put the flash back, and I will now turn this click lock attachment, and will make sure that the eyepiece is secure in its place. Yes, quite easy. I just turned it, and now the eyepiece is completely secure. If it was 2 screws, it was already, first thing we'll do is scratch my eyepiece. The barrel of my eyepiece will be scratched. Then I will go after other things. And you can see I need to clean my eyepiece also. But anyway, that's what you see through the eyepiece. Good, impressive.